Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Verily, in the heart of man, a thought is stirred by shaitan, and a thought stirred by an angel. As for thought stirred by shaitan, it instigates towards the doing of evil and falsifying the truth. And as for the thought stirred by the angel, it urges towards the good and confirmation of the truth. So he who finds in his heart the thought of doing and affirming the truth should know that it guidance from Allah and should praise and thanks Allah. And he who find in his heart the other thought from shaitan should seek refuge in Allah from shaitan, the accursed." And then Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam recited these verses from the Quran. "Ash-shaytanu ya'idukumul fakhra wa ya'murukum bil fahsha'i." Shaitan makes you fear poverty and bids you to commit evil deeds.